Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to make a tab visible for other users in Salesforce. This is essential when you need to ensure that specific tabs appear in the navigation bar for your team members, making important information easily accessible to everyone who needs it. First, you'll need to access Setup. To do this, click the gear icon located in the top right corner of your Salesforce interface. This gear icon is your gateway to all administrative settings and customization options. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Setup. This will take you to the main configuration area where you can manage everything from user permissions to page layouts. Once you're in Setup, the next step is to navigate to Profiles. Look for the quick find box on the left side of the screen and type Profiles into it. This search feature helps you quickly locate specific settings without having to manually browse through numerous menu options. After typing, click on Profiles from the search results. This section controls what different types of users can see and do within your Salesforce organization. Now you'll see a list of all available profiles in your organization. Select the target profile you want to modify. For example, if you're making changes for regular team members, you might select Standard User. Keep in mind that any changes you make here will affect all users assigned to this particular profile, so choose carefully. After selecting the profile, click Edit to begin modifying its settings. This opens up the full range of customization options available for that profile. You'll now need to scroll down to locate the tab settings section. If you're having trouble finding it quickly, you can use the browser's find function or Salesforce's find settings search box and type in the name of the object you're looking for, such as accounts or any custom object name. Once you've located the specific tab you want to make visible, you'll see a drop-down menu next to it. Click on this drop-down and select Default On from the available options. This setting is important because it ensures the tab will show in both the navigation bar and the app launcher by default, though users will still have the flexibility to hide it if they prefer. Finally, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save to apply your changes. Give it a moment to process, as Salesforce needs to update the profile settings across the system. Once saved, users with this profile will immediately see the tab appear in their navigation bar the next time they refresh or log into Salesforce. And that's it. You've successfully made the tab visible for other users in Salesforce. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.